Hi guys, I'm going to be going over a little bit more about telling time to the nearest minute because I know that was kind of difficult. So I'm going to start by showing you this analog clock and kind of showing you how I would look at the time first. So I always want to look at the hour first. So I'm going to look at the shorter hand, which is right here. And you can see pretty clearly that it is not directly on the 7 or the 8. So what I kind of like to do is like drag my finger or draw a little line and see which hour it has passed. So I can see that it has passed 7 o'clock, but it has not yet passed 8 o'clock. So I'm going to write down here a little 7 with my 2 dots with my colon because I know it's in the 7 o'clock hour. Now what I have to do is look at the minute hand. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. So it is 7:53. And it gets kind of confusing because you can see as it gets closer and closer to the next hour, that hour hand inches very close to the next number. And sometimes it gets really close. But if you are careful, you need to look at which hour it has already passed. Even if it's really close, if it has not passed that hour, then it is not yet in that hour. I'm going to show you another clock here. Okay, same thing. So I'm going to look first at where my hour hand is. Okay, now this one's very hard because it looks like it's on the 7 because the 7 is so big. But the 7 is actually starts right here. So I'm going to go do, 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 do. Has it passed the 7 yet? No. So it is somewhere in the 6 o'clock hour. And I'm going to get a new color and I'm going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51. Okay. So it is 6:51. So even though it looks like it's on the 7, I know because there's only a few minutes left till the next hour, it can't really be 7. Because if it was 7:51, then my hour hand would be really close to this 8 here. So dragging your finger down a little bit, drawing a little line when you have paper might help you to see which hour it has actually passed. You guys are going to have a couple practice questions, so go back and watch the video if you need to, and good luck. Talk to you later.